Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this hand sanitizer holder or hand sanitizer cozy. You can hang your sanitizer to your purse strap with help of this hand sanitizer holder. It is very easy pattern and also a quick fix so that you don't have to search your bag for the sanitizer. Let me cut this yarn. Okay. This is how you put your sanitizer bottle in your cozy. Button it up and attach the strap to your purse strap and you are good to go. So let me show you how to make this holder. I'll use this cotton yarn and the required crochet hook for my yarn. First I'll make a slip knot and I'll make 20 chains. You have to measure your bottle cap after making a number of chains. You have to make sure that the chain, the foundation chains fit snugly with your bottle cap, like this. So after making 20 chains, in the last chain, I'll make a slip knot. For the next round, I'll make a chain 1 and in the same chain, I'll make a single crochet. Then after that, I'll make 1 single crochet in every chain all over the round and also hide the yarn. I have finished the round with single crochet in every chain. Now if you want, you can make a slip stitch, but here I'll make a spiral pattern, so I'll do a single crochet in the first stitch and I'll make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Let me first put a stitch marker where my first stitch is. This is the first stitch. This is the first stitch of my second round. So I put a stitch marker here and I'll do 1 single crochet in every stitch. And I'll make 1 more round like this. I have made three rounds of 1 single crochet in every chain, and as you can see, it fits the bottle cap snugly and it will sit here. Okay. In here I'll increase my stitch. Now in this 4th round I'll increase for the first and last time. So first I'll make a single crochet in the first stitch, then in the next stitch I'll make 2 single crochet, in the next stitch 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 2 single crochet. And I'll follow this pattern throughout the 4th round. And I have done the increasing round and I'll not increase again. Now I'll do single crochet in every stitch. You don't need to increase again. That was the first and last time you will increase in this pattern. So I'm doing one single crochet in every stitch. I'll continue doing the rounds of single crochet to this bend. Here I have done the 3 rows of single crochet. Here I done the increase, and till this point I'll make rounds of single crochets without increasing again. And it will look like this. After this point I will start making rounds of double crochets. For smoother finish I will do a half double crochet in the first stitch. Then after that I'll make one double crochet in each stitch. And I'll continue doing one double crochet in each stitch in spiral. I have done the first row of double crochet. Now if you are not doing a spiral pattern, if you are finishing the round with slip stitch, then you have to start with 3 chains and do the double crochet round. But here I am doing the spiral, and I'll continue doing one double crochet in each stitch, and I'll do the rows till here to the end of the bottle. I have already made one, so I know how many rows I will need. I'll need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows of double crochets. So I'll continue doing 7 rows of double crochet and I'll meet you at the end. Now I have done total of 7 rows of double crochet, and I have left the last stitch undone. I haven't finished the last stitch of 7th row. In here, in the last stitch of 7th row, I'll make a half double crochet. Let me put the stitch marker in the beginning of the 8th row so that I know it's the beginning of the row. Now for smoother finish I'll make a round of single crochet. So I'll make one single crochet in every stitch. I have finished the 8th round. Here I'll make the strap. Let me pull out the stitch marker, I don't need it anymore. For the strap I will make 25 chains. If you want a longer strap you can make more chains than 25. Now after 25 chains I'll make another 5 chains for the buttonhole. So after 25 chains I'll make another 5. So I have made total of 30 chains. You can make more chains for longer strap. Now I will leave the 5 chains, and in the 6th chain from the hook I will make half double crochet. And after that I will make 1 half double crochet in every chain. So I will make total of 25 half double crochets. Here, if you want your strap a little slimmer, then you can do single crochet in your chains. And if you want a thicker strap, you can do double crochets. Okay, I have done the strap, and here's the buttonhole. Now in the next stitch of the 8th row, I will make a slip stitch so the strap is firmly attached. Now you can fasten off here if you don't want this bottle strap. Here you can finish off the row after making the strap, but I'll make this bottle strap, so I'll make the bottle strap in about middle. I'll just guess it where I want. If you want, you can count your stitches and do it exactly in the middle. I guess it, and I want my strap to end here, so I'll add a stitch marker here. I add the stitch marker there because I want to do single crochet to that point. So I'll do 1 single crochet in each stitch. And that's it. I want my strap to end here. So I'll make a chain 1 and turn my work, then make a single crochet in the first stitch, and I'll do 4 more single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So there are total of 5 single crochets. Then I'll do rows of double crochets because it is a quick fix. I want to finish it quicker. If you want, you can do single crochets, rows of single crochets. So I'll do a chain 3 and start making the double crochets. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 3, turn my work, and again 1 double crochet in each stitch. Again chain 3, and I have already made one, so I know I'll need 5 rows of double crochets. You do according to your sanitizer bottle. I have done the 5 rows of double crochet. Now I will fasten off my work here. Let's cut the yarn and I'll hide my yarn here. Let's hide the yarn. Cut the excess yarns where I finish and where I started. Now let's confirm if it fits, and it does. Now I'll just add 2 buttons and it will be done. Let me add the buttons and come back to you later. Okay, I have attached the buttons here and here. I have attached the buttons in between the 7th and 6th row of double crochets. And you don't need a buttonhole for the bottle strap. As you can see, you can put the button in between the double crochet stitches. So if you like the video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. So goodbye.